Hello guys, this is Shwadi. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will learn about a function closing balance month and opening balance month. So what these DEX functions do? Let's see. Okay. So here you can see this is our orders table. In the orders table, I have created a measure. It is closing balance month. So here you can see there is a function called closing balance month, then SUMX. Okay. Then SUMX orders into discount, then date table. So what this function doing? In this measure, closing balance month is such a function that retrieves the data of the last date of the month. Okay, last date of the month. So first of all, and what SUMX function doing? SUMX means expression. SUMX function, you know that SUMX function goes row by row. Okay, row by row. So and it is calculating the sales into discount. Means total discount for the sales. Okay, how much discount we have given. So SUMX function first of all going row by row, and it is filtering from the date table. Okay, so SUMX function going row by row, and when and there is a and there uh, the work of closing balance month comes whenever going row by row. So when it gets the last date of the month by the closing balance month function from the date table, okay, then it is calculating sales into discount. You got my point, I think. SUMX function doing? SUMX function going row by row. Okay. When it is getting the last date of the month by closing balance month function from the date table, okay, then it is calculating sales into discount. There we can get the total amount discount we have given of the last date of the month. Okay, so this is closing balance month, and there is another function called opening balance month. Same as it is, just like opening balance month instead of closing balance month. Okay, so this is the DAX function. Here, what we have given, this is our year data 2011 to 2014, and this is January to December. I have taken it in slicer. Okay, then I want to see in 2013 data. In 2013, in the November month, you can see this is opening balance month. In November 2013, the first day of November, 1st November, in the opening balance month, we have given 1,490 rupees or dollars as a discount. And in the closing balance month, the 30th day of November, we have given 636 637 rupees or dollar as a discount. Okay, so we can here we can see the difference first day and last day of November 2013 data, whatever we have given the discount, total discount. So if I go to 2012 data and July, you can see opening day of July of 2012 we have given 365 rupees or dollar, and in the last day of July we have given 1000 rupees or dollars as a discount. So it is a very useful function we can use for the financial purposes. Okay, so I think uh, this video is uh, good for this tutorial. Okay, so if you like my channel, please subscribe it. If you like my videos, please like it, share it, support my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.